Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Now you can air fry, grill, roast, broil, bake, even dehydrate with the amazing BRIO. Watch how easy. Just add your meal into the large fry basket, pop it in, and touch and go. Wow, in just minutes, a mountain of wings fried with air, not oil. No more greasy, oily food or messy countertops. The breakthrough, BRIO's new aerodynamic system that surrounds food with superheated cyclonic air. Crisping has never been better, faster, and 360 degrees around without flipping. But don't stop there. Air fry whole chickens to golden and juicy perfection. Serve roast beef medium rare or succulent pork loin. Air fry crispy mozzarella stick, frozen sweet potato waffle fries, or tasty coconut shrimp. All with that amazing fried food taste, but without the guilt. The NUWAVE BRIO air fryer is the one that you'll love to use every day. So go ahead, air fry, grill, roast, broil. You can also slow cook chipotle pork, crisp tortilla bowls, bake delicious desserts, and even dehydrate your healthy fruit snacks. With the BRIO, your meal possibilities are endless.
Some people dirty their air fryers 3 times a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Your air fryer should be cleaned after every use because there are plenty of places for food bits and grease to hang out and get gross. If you neglect to clean it correctly, your air fryer can start to smell, or worse yet, smoke. Here are the 5 things to do to get it clean. 1. Don't wait. Once you let crispy bits and oil sit in the basket, it can become a nightmare to get out. After using it, unplug the air fryer, let it cool, then wipe out any oil from the drawer. If you've used a sticky sauce or marinade, clean the drawer and basket while they're still warm. The mess will be easier to get out. 2. Use warm soapy water and a soft sponge or cloth. For stuck-on food, soak the basket in hot water and dish detergent to loosen it. Then clean. 3. Use a wooden skewer for baskets with lots of nooks and crannies and any grooves that collect grease. Clean the basket and drawer with soapy water and dry. 4. Now for the inside, where the spattering happens. With the basket out, degunk it using a damp cloth dipped in warm soapy water. Check the heat element for grease or debris and wipe it clean. 5. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth or sponge, then dry it. If your air fryer has an odor even after cleaning, try soaking the basket for up to an hour. If that doesn't work, rub a half lemon over the basket and drawer, let it sit for 30 minutes, then rewash. To protect non-stick surfaces, never use abrasives like metal utensils or steel wool to clean your air fryer. Is a big family dinner off your calendar this year? Avoid the heat and fuss of using your oven and celebrate by making a simple and delicious holiday dinner in an air fryer. While you can't cram a whole bird in the basket, a 4 or 5 pound turkey breast or legs will fit right in, as long as they sit below the edge of the basket. Oil and season the turkey breast and place in your preheated air fryer skin side down for 25 minutes. Then turn it over to finish and brown. Use an instant read thermometer. Your turkey is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And it's not a turkey dinner without stuffing. Put moistened stuffing into a baking dish. Pop the dish into the drawer to cook and brown. The air fryer's convection fan will roast lightly oiled vegetables to perfection. Sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, carrots, or cauliflower can cook right in the drawer. Better yet, mix them up. Softer veggies can roast separately. When it comes to dessert, use a small pan or oven-safe dish that fits the basket. Try pumpkin pie pudding. Or how about an apple crisp? And the best part of your holiday meal? A cool kitchen and less mess. That's something to be thankful for.